Stop it, that's not funny.
Ah.
Got my face again. Ew, it's so gross. Stop it, that's not funny. I need to get your teeth out. Open. Maybe I should be a dental children's hygienist. Ew! That spit in my face again. Krista, open. Like, all the way. Yes, because it's gonna hurt when it comes out. If it's hurting, that's a good thing, because that means it's gonna come out. Krista, you might. You're gonna get blood on your shirt. Look, you did! That means it's coming out.
Where's the tissue?
Tissue. I don't know. What you
Gotta
do
rip the
with it.
tooth
Is it in
out.
your butt? It's over here.
Krista.
Krista, that's not